Today we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First we need a bucket and a lid. And now we need the stickers that go to the lid. This one is the letter I, uppercase I and lowercase I. Now let's put it on the tub. There it is, the letter I, uppercase I and lowercase I. Now let's do the bottom of the lid. There it is, uppercase I and lowercase I. All right, let's fill up the tub, or get the things for the tub first. First we need the uppercase I. Now we need the lowercase I. What does it say we need first? Oh, there it is, an igloo. Next, we need an invitation. This one is an invitation to a party. An invitation is a card that invites you to a party or an event. Next is an insect. That's another word for bug. Look at that insect. Next is ice cream. We love ice cream. Next is something people use to get the wrinkles out of their clothes. It's called an iron. It gets very hot. And finally, the last thing we're looking for is an icicle. Icicles form when it's very, very cold. All right, let us review and fill up the bucket. First, we need an uppercase I. And now a lowercase I. Now we need an igloo. The invitation needs to go in. We might have to fold it. Yep. Okay, next is the insect. Next is ice cream. And the iron. And last is the icicle. All right, we can put the lid on this one. And that's all the things with the letter I. Next, we'll do the letter J. See you next time.